I'm going to be trying this hand mixer for the very first time. This one here was sent for my review, and I'm excited to see how well it does with my sweet potato mash. So I already have everything here in my bowl. Obviously, these have been cooked. I do love the little like blades they come with. It's really heavy duty. It also comes with a whisk, which is really awesome. And we also have some kind of like dough hooks here, which is really cool. And one of my favorite things is that all of the pieces can actually fit in this little box, and then this will sit on top. So when you're not using it, it's a really good place to just store everything, which I think is nice. So everything's not all over the place. So one of the other things I thought was really cool. So we do have 5 different speeds, but then you also have this turbo button. So I know it's going to be kind of loud, but check this out. Let's say I'm on like speed 1. You can hear that, but then I hit the turbo. So I don't have to like go all the way up to number 5 and keep it there. It's just like maybe I just need a quick little blast, and then you can do that, which I think is cool. So let's go ahead and see how these sweet potatoes do. Give this a good little, just starting on number 1 to see. I mean, like honestly, flawless. I do love that this is not super heavy, which is nice. I have used some before that are really heavy, sometimes making them kind of hard to handle, but it is nice and light, and clearly, as you can see, heavy duty. Definitely working really well, having no issue with these sweet potatoes. I for sure see myself using this again and again. I'm a big fan.